things off.
Hey,
What
Free
up?
Fallin' was here.
Hey, free falling, eh?
Have that for a last name. Hey, I'm Free Fallin'. How are you doing?
The wall of whatever it is. Do we have to sign in to play pool?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Dirty Old Frenchman. That's a new name.
Yeah.
Lulu and the Dirty Frenchman.
Sounds
Well,
like a pop
like
group.
his pastor said, his pastor told me I was so naive. Somebody told me Ringo Starr was the Messiah. I'd believe him. And I says, well, I don't think so. But then again, you signed a contract with the Satan government for tax purpose for your church. He didn't like that.
No, I bet not.
He got a warning I was a flat earther, you know, and I guess I got back through Ken at the.
Hey, look at this. If you better, I didn't think about this. I should have signed over here. It says losers to the right. Guess we're going to be the losers today.
Oh yeah,
I should
losers
have
to the
signed
right.
to the left.
Oh,
That's nice.
been a loser for a long time.
Nice guitar.
Huh? Do you play guitar?
No, I can do some chords, but I can't. I can't flip fast enough to make it worth anything.
Yeah, it's a nice place. I like it.
Mansfield guitar. I've never heard of that before. But
I don't know.
there was a Christian singer called Daryl Mansfield. He used to do harmonica.
Oh yeah.
That's not his company.
Did you sign your name?
Long live Doctor.
Is there another Sharpie or is this all we got down here?
That's all you got. It's not sharp.
Shake it down, yo.
At least you're getting some ink out of it.